living in an age of intelligence, an age of fluid, forward motion. My name is Colin, and I train enterprise businesses on the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence. It's not just about streamlining employee productivity and boosting bottom lines. It's about helping companies feel confident moving into an AI-enhanced future. Because AI, when done right, can be a total game changer. Innovation is moving at the speed of light. That's why I lean on Guidde, a smart solution in itself. No matter what my day has in store, Guidde lets me produce quick-turn, professional quality walkthrough videos to show a smart tool's value, a process that used to take me weeks, even months. Whether I'm pitching shortcuts for team collaboration, reports and performance reviews, or change management, I can make personalized content for company decision makers with AI-enhanced audio in just seconds. Plus, with seamless integration into systems like Salesforce and auto-translation into over 50 languages, my clients can deploy my Guidde videos all over the world at no extra cost. And Guidde gets even better on Snapdragon. Snapdragon's best-in-class NPU offers supercharged AI performance up to 80 TOPS, unlocking the ability to generate step-by-step storylines on device. Thanks to Guidde on Snapdragon, my clients can improve their business operations safely, effectively, and at scale. And as for me, I have hours put back in my day. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. Explained simply with Guidde and running faster on Snapdragon.